Hey everyone, today I have an unboxing of a very popular requested item. This is the ENACFIRE F1 truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. I reviewed quite a few of ENACFIRE's previous versions of the truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. This is one of their latest ones and they pack in a lot of new features. For example, it is now rated for IPX8 waterproof, so it is pretty water resistant. You can use it on poolside and it's definitely sweat proof. And it also comes with a 2600 milliamp hour charging case, so it not only can charge up the earbuds but also other devices. The earbuds themselves are now advertised to hold charge up to 8 hours. That is definitely a few hours more than the competition. Of course, I'll be testing that out and all their other claims in my full review. Definitely subscribe if you aren't already to see that video when it comes out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and cut open the shrink wrap and take a look at what comes in the box. So you just open the flap along the side and it has a nice clear view of the contents. As you can see, the two earbuds themselves are actually not situated in this charging case right out of the box. This is to help preserve the battery cycle of the earbuds. So taking a look at the other items that comes in the box, you have a piece of paper indicating that it passed the quality control assessment. You have ENACFIRE standard warranty. And then you also have, of course, the instruction manual, which is very nicely broken out into several languages. Unlike other budget truly wireless earphones in this price range, ENACFIRE does a really great job of organizing their instruction guides. It's very clear with nice graphics and clear-cut headings and subheadings. The charging cable here is micro USB, but in this day and age I kind of wish they had picked USB Type-C, but at least it is a non-proprietary cable. And then finally, to have a more comfortable and secure fit, they do provide additional 2-sized ear tips. So the total count is 3 pairs of ear tips in small, medium, and large. The medium is already on the earbuds themselves. Taking a closer look at the earbuds themselves, they are clearly labeled left and right, and they also feature microphones with special technology that they're calling aptX that will help to block out ambient noise for better and clearer phone calls. But by far the biggest new feature with these F1s is that they have now touch controls as opposed to buttons. So you just need to physically tap these to control your music, and I'll be demonstrating that in the full review. Now let's take a closer look at their newly designed case. Unlike the other versions, this one actually has a leatherette finish, and it actually serves as the hinge to this case as well. You can see that the only thing connecting the lid to the base of the case is actually this leatherette material. Here in the front, you see there's a flap covering up 2 ports. Once again, there's the charging input port, and next to that is the full USB port that you can use to charge other devices. When the earbuds are placed in the case, they begin charging. You can see the clear LEDs on the earbuds themselves, and you can see how much charge is left in the case itself with the 3 LEDs up in the front. So this concludes my unboxing video and first impressions of these truly wireless Bluetooth earphones by ENACFIRE. Once again, make sure you stay tuned to my channel to see the full review and analysis when I have time to actually test these earbuds out to see if they're worth your money and are a worthy upgrade to their other truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. Thanks for watching, guys.